PowerPoint slides are a great way to track projects, and using a calendar in PowerPoint lets you do exactly that. It's a stylish way to share key milestones. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a calendar into PowerPoint. When you know how to insert calendar in PowerPoint designs, you'll wow any audience. You can share dates, timelines, and milestones in a visually stunning way. For today's calendar tutorial PowerPoint, we'll work with the beautiful 2023 calendar infographic template from Elements. I have it downloaded and opened up in PowerPoint here. As you can see, this one is full of many stylish and unique calendar layouts. All you'll need to do is pick the right timeline, then drop in your own details. For example, I can pick the month of April here. You'll see the calendar layout here in the middle. These colorful squares are designs I've used to call out key dates. The squares call your audience's attention to those dates. Over here on the left, notice these text placeholders. They let me add additional context to the slide. To add details here, simply click into one of the text boxes and select the contents. Then begin typing in your own words as you're seeing me do here. I'll flash forward and you can see how the slide is filled out. It's an amazing calendar timeline PowerPoint slide ready in moment. You can leave it in this slide deck, or you can paste it into another presentation to be a standalone calendar slide design of your own. Let's look at some other slide designs. For example, this one shows 2 months at once. It's a compelling way to add even more detail to your favorite calendar in PowerPoint design. One thing I like to do is adjust the colors for even more contrast. To do that, let's click on a shape to select it. Then come up here to the Shape Format tab here on the ribbon. Click on it, then choose the Shape Fill dropdown. On the color chooser, browse these color options. Then click on one of the thumbnails to apply the new design. Instantly, you'll see the look and feel of your calendar in PowerPoint transform. It's how to add a PowerPoint calendar fast. You can also build a PowerPoint calendar animation design. To animate a calendar in PowerPoint, click on the calendar to select it, as you're seeing me do here. Now, come up to the ribbon again, clicking on the Animations tab this time. In this gallery here, click on the drop-down arrow to launch the full list of animation options. Choose one and you'll see it apply to your calendar in real time. This is a fun way to make your calendar more unique. Audiences will always thank you for making your slides more interesting, and an animated calendar is a great way to do it. You can also work with a built-in PowerPoint calendar template. To do this, come up here to the File menu, found in the upper left corner of PowerPoint. Click on it and choose New from the list of options here on the left. In this search box, let's type in calendar and hit enter. You can click on one of these template thumbnails here to start working with the design you've chosen. As you can see, it's amazingly easy to add calendar in PowerPoint designs. That's all thanks to premium Envato Elements templates for 2023. Elements is a creative resource with a compelling offer: unlimited downloads. That's right, for a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many calendar and PowerPoint templates as you want. And that's not all. Elements includes millions of other digital assets like fonts, stock photos, and so much more. You can't afford to miss out. Before you go, be sure to click like on this video. Then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There, you'll find countless other roundups, tutorials, and so much more. You can't afford to miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.